Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks Desktop Pro provides time tracking for any job. Time tracking lets you keep track of the time a person spends on each job. The person whose time you track can be an employee, an owner, a partner, or a subcontractor, as long as you have created the subcontractor as a vendor within the vendors list. You can then use the time data that you entered to perform tasks like invoicing a customer for job labor, providing hours worked on an employee's paycheck, tracking the cost of an employee's gross pay by job, or simply reporting the number of hours worked by a person on a job or with an item like equipment. You can enter data into QuickBooks using either the Weekly Timesheet window or the Time/Enter Single Activity window. If you want to enter time for multiple jobs or multiple days, then the Weekly Timesheet window is the best choice. If you tend to enter a lot of detailed notes about activities or prefer to enter time data as you complete an activity, then use the Time or Enter Single Activity window instead. Either way, the time information you record in one window displays in the other window. There are simply two different views of the same time information, so don't enter the same data into both forms, as doing that would duplicate the time data recorded. Also note that you can print blank weekly timesheets to manually record hours worked by employees or vendors on paper, which you can later transfer into QuickBooks. To do this, open the Weekly Timesheet window by selecting Employees, enter Time, Use Weekly Timesheet from the menu bar. Within this window, click the drop-down that appears to the right of the Print button within the toolbar at the top of the window. Then choose the Print Blank Timesheet command from the drop-down menu to open the Print Timesheets window. Then click the Print button to print the blank timesheets.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.